Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's style is 4 feed-in braids with small braids in between. The hair that I will be using is Expressions in the color 1B27. Start by parting the hair down the middle and then part out a very small section for the first small braid. Make sure that the braid is straight down the middle of the head so you don't have a lopsided finish. We don't want that. Add a small amount of jam to the roots and then start braiding. Continue this method on both sides. To start the feed-in process, add some jam to the roots and then brush it in. For the edges, add some edge control and then brush them in as well. Take a small piece of the client's hair and start braiding. Then start adding the hair into the braid. Because of the way I braid, I attach the hair by holding it with my index finger and my thumb. Watch closely. Unfortunately, you can't see how I add in the small braids. It was hard to find a good angle without catching my head, but I add in the small braid just like I add in the feet and hair. I just slide that braid in between my index finger and my thumb and continue braiding. Braid a little more and then clip it off with a duckbill clip. I like to wait to braid all the braids to the end so that they are even in thickness and length. Continue this process for the rest of the braids. Since there are only 3 small braids, one braid will not have a small braid in it, and that's fine. Now here you will see that the braid is curving. If this happens, take it down and brush the hair towards the middle of the part again, and then start again. Oil the scalp and then add foam. Set the client under the dryer for 5 to 10 minutes. To eliminate the spacing in the back, I'm sewing the braids together using a curved needle and thread. This is technically not necessary, but many people like the look of it. Tie a few knots at the end to keep it secure. Dip the hair in hot water to seal it. And we're done. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you next time.